Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect Apptivo to Google Forms? This guide will help you streamline data collection by integrating Apptivo with Google Forms. Follow these steps to connect Apptivo with Google Forms today. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys is you should to go ahead and open apptivo.com and then make sure to create an account. So you can click right here to try for free and then you should go to sign up right through here and create an account. That should be very easy and very simple, so you should follow these steps without any problems. Once you open it, you should create your account, which will be very simple. You just have to put a couple of information that will be necessary for you to be able to create your account and manage to open it. So just give it a business name. So we can give it, for example, here Titan Ltd, a business phone, which usually can be whatever. I could use like a fake number generation, so I can open this and I will copy this telephone number, paste it right here, business category advertising, time zone, let's say for example this one, and here number of users 1 to 10, maybe later, and get started. Once you have done that, the account should be created without any problems. Now we just have to wait for the complete account dashboard to open for us, and then we are going to go throughout the next step, which is basically the integration process. So let's click on done, and there we go. Now how can we integrate Google Forms with Apptivo? Well, as you can see guys, here you will find your account and here you can manage your account things, and basically next to it you can find the App Store. In the App Store you will be finding a couple of apps that could help you in the process of using Apptivo. For example here like campaigns, choose exactly what you want. You will find campaigns, etc., human resources, and you will find a lot of things, even though you can choose like a couple of information that could be helping you in your account settings. Now once you add App Store, you wouldn't be able to find Google Forms directly. Even if you search here app, email, notes, Google Forms is not something that you will be able to find right here directly, since these apps are basically only like add-ons or plugins that comes with Apptivo. They are not something that comes from a third-party app or something like that. So how can you get the access to a third-party app? Well, to do so, you simply have to go and open a new tab and search for Apptivo Google Form and click on the first link, which will take you to this page. This page will allow you to download G Suite, which is basically a pack that contains Google Analytics, Gmail, and other things such as Google Drive, Calendar, and Forms. Now to add it, you simply have to click on Install Now, and once it is done, you will be going here to this page where you have to search for Apptivo. So let's search for it. Let me just search the Apptivo for Gmail, as you can see, and search results. Let me just remove this, and yeah, no, I'm not Apptivo, yes, this one. So here, as you can see, you will have Apptivo, so you can click on it and open it. So this is Apptivo basically, guys. Now here you will find a couple of informations that can be very necessary for you to actually add it. You can also add it from Marketplace. As you can see, this is like the direct link for it, so this is very good. Now as you can see, this is very important to note. This application requires administration privileges to be installed. So it cannot be installed the normal way. If you were in Google Workspace Marketplace, then you should have an admin within it. So let's take a look at it and how we can, what are basically the benefits of having it. So Apptivo Business Suite consists of 40 plus apps that are integrated and seamlessly work with each other. The information is shared across apps so that the once created can be used everywhere, improving overall productivity. There is also no need of multiple data entry, avoiding duplicates or incorrect data. So first, we have CRM. Manage and organize your business contacts, track leads and opportunities. Track your sales funnel, run an efficient help desk, or coordinate your field work with the work orders app. Estimate invoicing and online payments. Send estimates to your customers for services you will perform or items you will deliver. Invoice for products or generate invoices from employee timesheets or company projects. Customize your invoices with a template builder and email invoices directly to your customer. Accept payment throughout PayPal, Google Checkout, or Authorize.net. Generate printable sales receipts when payments are received. Third, project management and time tracking. Collaborate with your employees in customer-owned projects. Manage project scope, create activities, milestones, or even sub-projects to get things done in time. Track and build time using these timesheets apps and get online approvals from customers or managers. Do more. Apptivo lets you do even more in human resources. Keep employee records, organize employees into teams, and track recruitments. And supply chain. Enter orders, track inventory, and keep records of your distributors, manufacturers, or suppliers. So these are the necessary things that you need. These are the permission that you will give to Google, to Apptivo, I mean, in Google, so they will be able to see and edit, share, permanently delete all calendars you have, see and edit, download, and permanently delete your contact, manage the email settings, see info, create, edit, organize, and details, and delete all your tasks, see your primary Google account email address, see your personal information, including any personal info you've made publicly available. And yeah, so to download it, as I said, you have to get the admin privileges, click on install, and then you will be able to actually add it directly. They will take you to a page where you will have to give them basically the API, so you can go here and give them the API, and here also you will find the G Suite integration, so you can enable it through here. So you need to enable these two, so you can basically make the G Suite enabled in your account on Apptivo. So as you can see, once you enable the Apptivo from G Suite Market, you can enable calendar synchronization, and here G Suite Marketplace. So once you enable Apptivo from G Suite Marketplace, you can enable task synchronization using this checkbox above, as you will synchronize your task with Google Tasks. So now you simply have to turn this on, both of them, and the next thing you simply have to simply wait and look at the result that you will have. So this is not a very hard thing. Just make sure that the things that I have mentioned are available for you, which are a Google account, basically with admin privileges when it comes to Workspace Marketplace. Second thing, an account with Apptivo, and then you should simply go to Apptivo on the workspace google.com. Go ahead and download it. So once you have downloaded it, you will be able to go ahead into here and turn these on, so you can synchronize your G Suite integration with your account in Apptivo. And just like that, you will be good to go, and nothing can stop you now from synchronizing your account on Apptivo with G Suite. And again, G Suite is a pack that contains everything, as you can see on this page. So it has Google Forms, task synchronization, calendar synchronization, Google Drive, IMAP, email, and contact sharing. So all of that will be yours. You will not find any kind of problem with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. And yeah, I will make sure to answer all of your questions, so I can literally help you guys within the next tutorials. So see you guys in the next video.